round two. Round two, we've been on it for about half an hour, 45 minutes. My bum is already sore.
64 max.
One of the guys crashed leaving inside the place. That was interesting.
Huh? Who did that?
And yeah. So yeah, if you've seen this going around, it was us fanging around all day. We've been fanging all day. So we just started, but we'll be fanging all day. So I'm going to try and capture some cooler things. I'm getting filmed. Like two people, myself and him. Oh yeah, we're going to get into it. We're just going to go cruising around. See where it takes us. We'll see where it takes us. So I've equipped my one with the appropriate branding. Fully sponsored. Fully sponsored. So effectively our next stop was the one and only super cheap octane booster for the rigs. That's going in. You guys don't know where it is, do you? And where are you going to put that on?
Well, obviously on the exhaust.
Oh. Idiot. Heat wrap.
Is there a bigger one?
Should we heat wrap?
There is.
You got to get the big one.
Oh. There's no way that'll fit.
I'm going to make my way down.
Oh, no, one of those turbo whistles you stick in it?
Oi.
The tip's like this big.
Yeah, the whistle won't fit.
It's as big as my feet. Oh, Hamels. Surely.
Oh yeah? There's a lot of...
I'm using this whole thing. I don't know where.
Where'd you get it from?
About 5 hours ago.
Beautiful.
Yeah. Still got the scar.
Oh, still got it.
That's a lot. That's going to be a lot of octane booster.
Yeah, but like.
Are we buying mopeds? Maybe. And obviously we need to get
I'll get half some.
the good. The one
That make it even faster.
I don't see. Oh, what's better for value here? Like, is the newer one going to be better than the Penrite one? I normally Penrite.
But we don't want to clean it because we don't care about it. We just want it fast.
Power.
Which one fastest flow?
Which one is the power max power option?
This one's $20. This
Yeah,
one's 17. Oh no, someone put it.
No, that was me.
Oh, okay.
Sorry.
Please don't confuse everybody.
Whoops. I don't know. That's 300 mil. That's 300. That's 375. Yeah. This is what we get. I'm getting air freshener. Are you getting air freshener? Yeah. Yes.
What's the?
Why?
So the air smells nice. What do
The
you
air's
think?
always fresh.
We don't
There you
want
go,
to
mate.
stink.
Yeah, but it's an air freshener. Makes it fresher.
I'm definitely getting this one.
Oh yeah, unicorn one. Hula girl.
Put this on your penis.
Yes.
Put this on my penis.
Yes. And you get two.
Look on Venus.
Such a weird girl. I'm gonna put one. I'm gonna give one for my car as well. Where are we hanging though? That's the question.
All right, boys. I got 4 bad hands. Bad finger.
The motor?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
This is the Australian version.
Keep going, G. Just keep going. Keep it going. Keep it going. Anyone got another bottle?
We need another bottle.
We need another bottle.
Oh, you want one? That's why I didn't want to go too much.
I ran out. Also, they're on. There you go. There you go. There you go. Elliot, what did you put on yours? Oh my gosh.
A couple hula girls, one on the front as well.
Yeah.
I got the front one on the buddy wind visor. I'll be back. Give me a second.
Too much booster?
Sorry? Go on. Man, no break.
Oh yes. Breakfast.
Of champions.
Yep. Pretty sure. Is he going through drive-through?
Yeah.
Yeah, mate, just get a big caramel eat in. Alright.
Welcome to Carl's Trigger.
Holy. There is way too many people in here. I'm going down the road. Is there any people in there? When you're at Carl's, hot tip, you want a fresh sip every time. This one's not right. There you go. Every time. Fresh sip every time. Hey, we found something. And there's always one. There's always one. Look, I'm glad. I'm dead set glad. Even though I didn't want to do that one, and I used to ride. Just like. What are you We've got a casualty. We've got a casualty. You're a spastic. He's just airing him. Oh my god. I can't believe I missed it. There is absolutely no rules of anything. We're just doing what we want. That was incredible. Looks like we're stopping by Scooter Hut to get a new mirror. I'll go get my moped. So we found a racetrack. They know you're gonna chop them up and eat them. Kangaroos know not to trust an Asian fella. Hey, you falcon! Hey, hey! Come on! There is some damn good scenery in the Gold Coast. You can work out where we are. That's the thing. That's the other theme park thing. And that's the thing for the thing. And water and sand. And fisher guys.
Fisher guys. Big fisher guys.
Hey mate, got some snapper? We actually went to Thailand with this one. So this is a glimpse of that. Peak hour traffic in Tokyo. That's one of the red light wins. So many wins. Thanks, Amy. And well, I thought we were good, but you're street killing it way better than us. Tip it in there, girl. Oh, someone lost their building. It's just a random street kid doing monos to the traffic. I like it. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Yeah, the Christmas fun. Oh, we should probably go.
It smells like old milk.
Something stinks like terrible here.
Don't think it's me.
And we're here. It's getting dusk-ish, whatever the time is. Time to get some beverages and head to the skate park.
Trying to grab ya. I'm not even cute.
Current situation's gotten a bit stormy. It's pouring rain, or decent rain anyway. Mucking around in a car park until it stops raining. So the rain hasn't gone away, but we've just decided we're just going to go for it anyway. So we're at Pizzy. They're redoing something there, or they're adding an extension, which is kind of cool. Kind of sucks, because when I used to ride here, it would have been good, but now too soft to go and ride on the brake bones and stuff. Got kids and businesses and stuff to run, so we're just going to take the mopeds out. I won't film too much of this because you've seen it last time, so however, we have newbies, so it could be bad. Don't run off the railing. You can't go too, you need to go a bit faster.
Give us some airtime. Mad things. Mad things. See you beat, mate. Oh, jeez.
Ton. Good old Pizzy. Feel like I need to film him. Oh yeah, getting a bit of Christmas cheer up ya. Jingle bell, jingle all the way. Oh yes. Currently late, we're going for more. What is he doing? The fuel we come to just spin this. That's all we wanted to do was just to spin this thing at the playground.
Didn't work as well as I thought.
It worked.
It worked,
You need one with a little bit more power.
Funny as. Funny. What are you doing up there, mate? Moped with a view. That's it for this one, guys. Hope you enjoyed. We had great fun. Bit of rain encountered, but yeah, it's actually such a good way to explore the Gold Coast with your friends, providing you have friends. Otherwise, you might need to get some friends, or yeah.
Hey mate, not allowed.
Now, I reckon we're going to do one so you can get a bunch of people to tag along.
Can't have scooters.
So I'm going to find out actually how much scooters are available at this place. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Catch you next week.
So much shit in my eye. I got yelled at.
Scooters are back. If you're ever wondering on the Gold Coast, this is the place. Yeah, these guys are really awesome. Always give us like the newest moped they've got. Probably not the newest moped when you get it back, but look, they look after you.